What's happening, guys? Thanks so much for clicking on another video. We at House Pelé have now installed solar at the house. You can see here we have 12 solar panels that we are installing on the roof. The man in charge of this operation, his name is Henry. I'll leave his contact details down below. And yeah, really professional in what he does. Also comes at a very cost-effective rate. Really happy with what we've installed. We now have the solution in for about a month and no complaints so far. This is the inverter that we decided to go for. It is a day 8 kilowatt inverter and two 5 kilowatt batteries, totaling 12 solar panels, one 8 kilowatt inverter, as well as a 10 kilowatt battery solution. This basically powers up the entire house. Here you can see how the 12 solar panels actually look on the roof after installation. And with the solution that we did put in, we were spending close to 6,000 Rand a month on electricity. I know, it's wild. Now with the solution in place over the last month, bar one outside building that's not connected to the system, I'm spending about close to 300 to 400 Rand a month. And yeah, like I said, no complaints, really happy with the solution. This is me. Here you can see Henry explaining to me how to use the app for the inverter, as well as connecting the inverter. I decided to also put timers on my main board, so I have a complete solution connected to my phone. Here you can see on the status, the system basically powers a geyser, fridge, freezer, microwave, kettle, washing machine, all light in the house. And this is how the interface basically looks. Really happy with the solution. I would highly recommend that you guys get in it, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers, bye.